So it's been 3 days since my surgery for 360-degree abdomen liposuction and scar revision. So the experience has been really good. My scars have been reduced. I can see a little bit of six packs coming in. There's still some swelling, but I think that will dampen over the weeks when I have some follow-ups with the doctors. The staff has been super helpful with my recovery. They're super friendly, and the doctor Sudhanshu, Dr. Amit, both of them have been very helpful in post-operative suggestions, and they regularly come by and visit just to see if I'm doing well or not. I think Divine is a really good uh, cosmetic care brand, so I would really suggest someone to just go for it blindly, because I researched so many clinics across Delhi and the experience had been super helpful here. People are really good and the surgery has been top notch. I already did my Janomasi surgery and I think the six pack one will also come out really good.